Alright guys, I'm back at the pond where I caught the 10 fish. I lost the big one. I'm gonna try throwing a chatterbait today. Let's see what happens. Oh, first fish. And what do you know? It's another dink. Nice, yeah, I caught one. Nice little 3-pounder right there. Alright. Good shit, man.
Ooh, it felt like he was pulling the ground, bro. Feel how heavy he is.
Oh, he's about 3 pounds.
Yo.
Nice. Oh, darn it. He got off. Felt like a small fish though. See if I can get one more before dark. Is this fish moving towards me? Dang. Another miss. Another miss. I just missed 2 fish in 2 minutes. Well, that was funny. These darn little fish. I'm cursed. Cursed right now. Oh yeah. Great. Another miss. Okay, we got a fish on. Looks pretty decent. It's running right at me. Okay, it's a good fish. Here we go. And that is a perfect hook set right there. Check it out. Nice little 2.5, 3-pounder right here. Nice little healthy fish. All right, let's get him back in the water. See if I can get another one. Oh, got a bite, got a bite. What's he doing? He's running with it. Just got my line broke, guys. That might have been a good fish right there. He's got my dang line broke, darn it. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today. Thank you for watching the videos. I'll try to get on my boat to get on some bigger fish for the next videos I do. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later. Bye.